Right, TNZ College, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna show you how to fix upside down, up and down screen on TV. So first of all, we need to have a remote. Then you press menu button 1147. This code, I repeat, press menu then 1147. I repeat, menu 1147. After menu appear, factory set menu, so we're going to panel setting. We go up until we find the panel setting. In setting up, panel setting. After panel setting, we're going to mirror mode. Mirror mode, we see number 5 here, from down to up. Mirror mode. Mirror mode, then you press enter. After enter, change side. Press enter tena. After press enter, power off. After power off, then power on your TV. All is well. Zone here. Thank you for support. Subscribe now to our channel to get more videos. It is your channel TNZ College.